Alright, so I've rinsed out my sheep's milking container as best as possible. Still got milk residue stuck to the inside. And this is what foxtail looks like. It's got a lot of surface area in it. And it's very abrasive. It's perfect. A little scrubber to drop down in there. Put it in there with a little bit of water. Put the cap on and shake it up. And that's gotten off all the inside residue. Now I just have the residue on the outside. And then you just pour it out and rinse it out. And that's how I clean my milk bottles. And I just clean the outside of the lip with my t-shirt. Ready to milk. There won't be any remaining residue to sour the next batch of milk. I don't ever use soap for any of my dishes. I don't even use hot water. I literally use plants to scrub my dishes and then rinse them. Good sheep. Where's Rosie? It's time to milk. There she is. Rosie! You ready for your 10 a.m. milking? Any vegetation is going to have abrasiveness when you rub it on your pots. So, and it's you don't have to rinse out the scouring pad afterwards. This is how I wash my dishes. Gotta have a little bit of water in there. And it doesn't even matter if it pulls up the roots, because that's just dirt and it's just gonna rinse off. There you go. Clean enough. No soap needed.